ഉറക്കെ പറ. അച്ചുട്ടൻ. Okay, we've almost finished. Just 2 minutes more to walk. Trekking is over. Now next is taking shower at the stream. That's going to be amazing experience like we did it yesterday. Be with us. We're going to enjoy more. Travel teachers, Bazi. Yeah. Here we begin our 1 day's expedition to KakkadamPoyil. This was an off-road drive by Siddiq with his Jeep Compass. It was a tough decision that he has made, even though I told him not to go for it, he wanted to do this. The ways were really hard. He was confident enough to go through. And this was really phenomenal. He is like a horse. The power of a horse. Look at him. It was about 2.3 kilometers. Same way as it is. And we made it finally. Just after we've reached, after having a black tea, we've started walking towards the beauty of the nature. Yes, the water stream, the waterfall just nearby our camp. So now we've reached by the water stream, by the waterfall to swim here. It was around 6:30 p.m. and the water was so cold. So we were in a dilemma whether to play in the water or not. See how beautiful it is. The rock, water, the eternal beauty of combination between these two. So everywhere in the world you can see rock and water. How happy we are. How blessed we are with this nature is at its best. Water flows from one end to the other. In between, it makes millions of people happy, and it serves water for life. Here we are enjoying on the stream. The time was about to go dark, and we were aware to go back. And on the way back to our place was really difficult. We all have turned on our mobile phones light. Though the routes were not clear, we could find some arrow marks on the rocks and on the trees to find our way back home. It was a bit scary, but having so many friends around, we were not thinking about that emotion. So here I was looking for the arrow mark on the rock. I couldn't find those. And now we've reached our camp. People were busy talking, having chit-chat and singing songs as well. This night is ours, of course. This is a great time to be together, and this is a time to talk about yourself and luxury. And after the campfire, we all are set in our tent for a sleep, but these people are still not sleepy. Early in the morning vibe. It was so cool to wake up in such a place like this from a tent. Waking up our friends was a bit task because it was so cold in the morning. So we were enjoying our time being in the tent. So people are busy for morning routine, and after that they have to go for trekking. And in between some photo shoots and video shoots as well. Here's Mr. Bazi, the speaker, the travel teacher. Yes, doing some videos. So the vibe in the morning is outstanding here. So we've started trekking. Now you can see the beauty of nature, the green, different green. Can you just look at the trees over there? How many types of green colors? And waters creak in between our walk. Trekking is amazing experience here in KakkadamPoyil with Team Wanderlust. We continued our footsteps towards the mountain, which was strange for us. Yes, as our guide told us, do not make noise to enjoy the beautiful sound of the nature, the birds, the chit-chat of the trees, the breezing of the wind, and many more. But our team were not just keeping quiet in this place. So this was my first time doing trekking barefoot. It was really helpful and relief as well. So in between there were some ways which were really troublesome, but we still made it. People were about to fall down, and in between I found this. Can you imagine that this is a house and there are people live? You can see their bed. And now we're about to reach back to the water stream. This is where every civilization starts, from the water. So we all gonna take shower again from here. Now look at this tree. It covered all those rock over there. So in between we were setting some tasks as well, even though we were a bit afraid of just sleeping on these rocks, but we were just still doing it. Another task, javelin throw. Next person. So here we are, it is time to go back. Sadiq, the off-road driver, has taken his Jeep Compass, and I was just showing him the way. So to be truly honest with you, this was our first time doing this, but Sadiq shows some courage and some kind of confidence that he was doing it for the 1000th time. But this was even his first time doing the same. So look at this way. Even I was a little afraid because of the slippery of this rock. And Sadiq, he was showing us he is a warrior. So we are about to reach the road. In between, some more views for all of us. And look at that Jeep going. He's a local driver here. He almost all the days he goes and come back on this route. So for him everything is a piece of cake. So here we go. Our last steps here at KakkadamPoyil. And here's Bazi saying goodbye to you. See you in the next video.